We are back. We are back on the No Nonsense Trader channel, and I am Dave. And today I want to finish up all those custom projects and show you where they're at because I've done all of them now. And so you got 9 in total. I want to show you some of the strategies that I've created and how I'm going to choose between each one. So let's go check out those custom projects first. So you go on to my website to the blog section, and we've got 3 blogs in a row. We've got the daily 1 chart, hour 4, and the hour 1. And each one has all 3 projects in there to download. And here's the hour 4, all 3. And the hour 1, all 3 are there. So now you've got all the custom projects and then all those building blocks that you can swap in and out, and you can make a great strategy for Euro US dollar. So get to work. We're in strategy quant in the retester, and here are my 2 strategies that I've knuckled down to between all of those 9 custom projects. I've chosen the best 2 strategies that I could make on an hour 4 and an hour 1, and I think I'm just gonna stick with the hour 1, and these are the results I got for the new data between 2025 January until roughly around today. Not today, but this month. And yeah, you can also do some optimization. You can mess with this optimization and try to make smooth out some of those parameters that are in it. So for instance, like if you have an RSI set at 14, maybe it's better to be set at 12. And then yeah, when you do that, make sure that you optimize just up to 2024 December 31st, and then go back into the retester, take your new optimized strategy and go back into the retester and test it on brand new data just to make sure that it works. And so remember, when you're making your strategies, the Euro US dollar is just one of many that you're going to create, and so you only need one on one time frame. So you don't have to have all 3. You don't have to have hour 1, hour 4 daily. Just choose the best one. And you know what? You might not use Euro US dollar at all. You might use another recipe with different ingredients. It could be GBP US dollar, US dollar JPY, but you're trying to make 6 to 10 all together. And so this recipe right here is just one recipe. Remember, on the blogs, the building block blogs, which I'll show you right now, there's lots of different recipes that you can come up with. Don't just you're not just making one. There's not just one set recipe here. You can use all kinds of different combinations. And so yeah, get to work. You can change out the data and start making different forex pairs. That's easy to do. Next I'll be working on commodities, and so you can switch out the commodities there. Maybe I'll do a gold one next, and maybe a silver, and yeah, and we'll get to work on all of them so that you can easily swap it out. So now that I've built a Euro US dollar strategy, in the next video I'm going to show you how you can deploy that in a demo account just to make sure that it works. And so you want to deploy it into a demo account and observe it for 10 trades, and just make sure that the strategy quant trades and the actual demo account trades match up, and make sure that it's operating correctly as it does in strategy quant as in real life. And so we'll get that in the next video. I'll show you how to deploy a strategy.